Hi, Louie. How are you? You having fun in your exerciser? Oh my goodness. You are 4 months old, aren't you, little guy? You are. Oh, wow. Oh, and you're a bouncer. And you're a player. And you're, ooh. And you're having fun even though you got your first cold. Your first cold. Oh, rub your little eyeballs. Whoa. What are you thinking about?